Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. So today we will be talking about how to get Vrbo host verified badge. So let me tell you guys, to get a verified badge on Vrbo, hosts generally complete the identity verification process in their account settings, which requires submitting personal details like name, email, phone number, address, and date of birth. While Vrbo primarily uses a premier host badge to show high performance, verifying your identity is crucial for establishing trust and complying with security measures. So to verify your identity on Vrbo, what you're going to have to do is open your Vrbo owner app and then log into your account. Once you're logged in, ensure all personal information is accurate, including your name, email, and phone number. Now, if a verification prompt is prompted by Vrbo, you have to provide necessary documentation, for example, photo ID, physical address, to have it cross-checked. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you like this video. See you in my next one.